Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna take you guys through my process of wearing my strip lashes. I'm obsessed with strip lashes. Okay, my red gang, what's up? How y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. And in today's video I'm gonna be using red lashes as well for this video. And as you guys can see, they're looking so fluffy, y'all. Like, I'm obsessed with them. Okay, let's just say I'm obsessed with them. It's gonna be available very soon for sale. These are just testers that I've been trying out myself to see if I like them or not, but I'm obsessed with them. And guys, they're so fluffy when I tell you, like, can you see that? So guys, for your tools, what you basically need is you need your eyelashes, the most important thing. You need your tweezers, another important thing that you cannot do without. You need your glue. It can be any glue, basically, whatever glue you're comfortable with. But if you're a first timer, just go for sticky glues. It's a lot better than the one that cakes, or the waterproof one. And then another thing you need is your mascara. Do not forget that you need your mascara. You need your scissors, and you need your lashes comb. This is not really important if you have your tweezers, but just in case you want everything to blend out, so if you can have it, it's also important. So for starters, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your eyelashes and measure your eyes, basically. So for me, I always like starting from the corner of my eye right there. I just like measuring from there. Guys, can you guys see that? I always like starting from here instead of starting all the way here, because if you do that, it just pokes your eye and you don't enjoy your lashes. But basically, as you guys can see also, the lash line is a bit like it's coming outside, so we need to cut that. So I'm just using my small scissors to cut out the excess strip line that was hanging earlier. So now I'm just going to apply my glue. I like using this glue so much because it doesn't irritate my eyes. Immediately it's dry, I can like play around with it without it staining my entire eye surface or my eyeshadow. Alright, y'all, so we're just waiting for the eyelash glue to dry. Don't forget, guys, another important step, y'all, your mascara. Make sure you apply your mascara after you put your eyeshadow. Your lashes will tend to become the eyeshadow color because of the fallouts from the eyeshadow, so you actually need mascara. It helps blend it out and not look too tacky or something. And when you're applying your mascara, make sure you're going with it from the roots, because that's the most important thing as well. It's very important. If not, it's still going to look tacky no matter what you do, okay? And guys, don't also forget to apply your eyeliner. Don't go without applying your eyeliner before putting your eyelashes, because the strip line, it helps. So when you close your eyes, you won't see any, unnecessary line going on or something. Okay guys, so basically our glue is dried up. I'm just gonna be putting that now. Okay, yeah, so this is just bad habit. You're supposed to use your tweezers, but it's because I'm already used to using my fingers. I'm just applying it and then using the tweezers to just go over that to press my lashes against the strip line. After putting it, you're just gonna use the back of your tweezers and just stick your lashes on them, so they're gonna look very natural. Nice, huh? Okay. Okay, yeah, so that's it. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for y'all that do not know how to, fix your strip lashes, or think, whenever you buy a strip lashes, it's a waste of your time because you don't know how to fix it, I hope this video is very helpful to y'all. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, be sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you've already been here, I love you. Mwah, you know the vibe, you know the drill. Okay, stay tuned. See you guys in another video very soon.